Hi everyone. I pray to the divinity in me and I pray to the divinity in you. Thank you for taking out time for this particular video. And before I begin, Jai Shri Krishna. Today is just Janmashtami, and it just came to me that I should share something very, very personal, and that is my journey in towards the Akashic learning that I got through. I was just thinking through what I should be covering and what I should share with you guys. And I realized that, the most important part of my journey is the faith, the trust. When I was learning, also, I leave alone you guys will believe it or not believe it some and you know it's always time for things in your life. And when Akashic came, that's what I realized, that it's always time which brings things at your place. And again, when I talk about time, it is time and space, which is a very, very man-made thing. It works in a very linear fashion, but the experiences of beyond this time and space is not bound by what we as human beings have created. So, what I'm experiencing right now in my journey is a very, very different world. And to come to believe about this kind of world and this beyond this kind of dimension, this dimension of our existence, to come to believe that initially was very, very, very tough. But with experiences, with things that I could see, before time, things that I said and it happened. So it kept, made my logical mind, made my ego self talk about it, that, how is it that I'm able to take out that kind of information? And during Akashic reading of multiple clients, what I surprised myself. I came across who I am, what I am, why I am here, what is my life purpose. All that became clear, and the embracing of this particular uh, tool or the process, embracing the process of this thing became very, very easy. Initially, even I doubted that whatever I am saying, whatever I am seeing, for is probably my mind. But when experiences started happening with me, I was blown, so to say. I just could not believe. But I learned one thing in that, which made this technique even powerfully working for me. And it made me even better at what I was doing. And that was surrender. And when I say surrender, faith also comes into the picture. I completely had faith in the Shiva that resides in me, and it sometimes comes out and even talks like a friend to me. So I could meet the Shiva in me. I don't know, this video might make sense for people whose time has come to see what reality is. And I don't think this video is for everyone. So I to that I would say, when I met the Shiva in me, it works only when I completely surrender. The moment my mind gets into picture, the ego comes into picture, it vanishes. So technically, when I completely give it all and I don't apply my mind, it just works like magic. And the kind of answers and the kind of solutions which come out for my clients for whom I am doing the reading is amazing to my observation also. Because when I do my reading, I am an observer, I become a channel, and my faith grows there. When my clients say, yes, this is what happened, and this is, I generally don't know the background of my clients. They are all new. And there are few friends also whose few part of the life which I am not aware of. They also tell me that, yes, this is right, this is right. Then it clicks to me, it is the surrender which works in life. We all know that, life is about going with the flow. So you have the free will, which the universe and the divine also gives it to you, where you can exercise that free will. It is your choice to use that free will to even surrender more to the process of the universe and become very, very blissful while your work happens, or you work against it and believe that working hard is the solution to all your problems. What I have learned in my journey, which is very, very important, and I wanted to give it away to people, that hard work is not the answer to your solution. Giving it to the flow is answer to the solution. And I am not saying because I read somewhere, no. It is my practical experience. I have my counterparts who have experienced the same. When you completely surrender, that's when the lock opens, and that's when you become the creator of your own life. And I am experiencing that, and I'm so, so, so blessed to have this kind of experience. And that's what prompted me to even come in front of you guys, and with a lot of confidence, and with lot of why this confidence also comes, because I am going, this is my journey, it is not a book journey. There are information which comes to me which is nowhere written in the book, but it is absolutely correct when I kind of go back and refer to the book, which is amazing experience. I have never experienced such a thing. So I just thought that today, I should tell you something about faith, something about surrender. So it is just about losing it all to the divine. And when you lose it all to the divine, your work happens like a hot knife gets into a butter, you can say. मतलब इससे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल मुझे नहीं मिला, but my life got resolved a lot through that. And through that also I learned that who I am, and also to differentiate between when my ego is talking and when the Shiva in me is talking. So that's the kind of difference I can make today. And I just want to give you all one message, that it is only surrender, and the beginning of that surrender is faith, which works in life. And definitely everybody has their own journey. Every soul on this planet earth has their own journey, and this video or whatever I'm saying will make sense only to people whose time has come to actually see what the reality is. When I today look at it, I'm always blown with the kind of experiences that I'm going through. So I just thought that, the beginning of the journey is faith, and with faith, the surrender. Once you do that, start your journey with faith, and in time, see how you surrender and how your work happens. You don't have to plan anything in your life. Whatever is important in your life will happen very smoothly without any friction. It will be a smooth sail for you. And trust me, this is the best thing that you can learn in your life. And for me, now this is the only path that I want to walk. Thank you for listening to me, and always, I would request that try and make small changes in your life which strengthens your faith and your courage to surrender to the divine stronger, because that is what is going to solve all your problems. And you will reach a point where you will see there is no problem at all, because that's what the answer I got when I asked divine that if you are with me, then why so many problems? And the answer was, there is no problem, Ashi. And trust me, that's the truth. And I don't know why this video came up like that, and I'm happy that I was able to share my journey like this. And it comes, may this video reach people who are in their journey, spiritual journey, and they find a step up in their journey. Thank you so much. And if you like it, comment, subscribe. I have lot of videos in my mind which will come up, which will add value to your life and your journey towards divine. Thank you.